If there's one thing I can't do, is complain about my chickens. Here's why. Every day we come out to grab our eggs. Hiya, babies. I'm here for your eggs. Hiya, baby. And you just let me pet you all the time. Hi, baby girl. She has a cloudy eye. I called her my half-blind baby. All right, let's get our eggs. Oh, there's one in here. Hi, can I get my eggs? Oh, what a bunch. Alrighty, that's 2, 4, 6, 7, nice, 8, 9. Okay, here we go. Every day. So here is the collection of the day. There's always one that lays it inside the coop, so we have to go in there and grab it. But there's always one that shorts us 1 egg, and it's one of the Araucanas. But we can't complain. These babies have not stopped laying all winter long. So we're happy to say that they are doing great. They survived the winter. But yeah. Yes, can I help you? Okay. I think this is the alpha chicken. She's very defensive. Whenever I try to get close to one of the other hens, she comes at me very swiftly. Like right now, I'm trying to get out of here with the eggs, and she's like, where are you going with those? Goodness gracious. Yep. Love these girls.